we often talk about the brutal sun here in Arizona and how great it is to have some extra shade for your home. But guess what? You can do the same thing for your business. Just might add a little space, especially to your outdoor patio. We are at Tailgaters today. This is Robert Mulvin, owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. You know, I keep forgetting because we go to so many beautiful homes. I forget that you also do businesses.
Yeah, these face east and they wanted their patrons to be in the shade. Not only in the shade, but because our awnings have lights, when the sun goes down, they keep them out and it puts a nice light ambience here for their customers.
I love these lights. They're all built in. These are your top of the line. These are all motorized, right? And did they all come with built-in lights in?
There is no options anymore. It's all built in. So it's got the full cassette, so it shields it when the shades are retracted, has the lights, and it has the adjustable pitch, also the motion sensor. So if the wind kicks up, these will go in. You don't really have to worry about it.
Yeah, and that's important because, you know, you just don't always, you know, you're not always there with the remote. But here's what's really kind of a cool idea, and if you think about it, because like you said, even at night, but in the wintertime, you know, they have some lamps out here to keep the patio warm. It also keeps the warmth in, doesn't it?
Yes, yeah. So it'll, you know, keep the heat from escaping. Yeah. And it'll keep all their customers warm. Yeah. So it's year round. Yeah. Not just the summer.
Yeah, I like that. So it's got a sensor on it, but the important thing to remember is just because you know there's a sensor on it, you don't want to leave it out there.
Grab your remote.
Grab your remote for sure. Let's talk about color choices. Do you have as many color choices for commercial?
We do. So this was an HOA area, so they had to match as close as they can to the paint with the fabric and the frame color. Luckily, we have all the colors that you need, and they matched it perfectly. Yeah,
they did a great job for sure. And it's awesome because when it's really beautiful out and you want to see the stars, they can go away. So you've got lots of great options.
Well, not only that, it stops the glare from the TVs. It just makes it to where you can have more customers out for longer periods of time.
Yeah, well, and it's the same thing for your home, right? People are, here in Arizona, we love to spend our time outdoors, so you've just increased your living space.
Yeah, 8 months out of the year, it's beautiful. Sometimes it's brutal, but this can help at that time too. It's year round. These are year round, day and night use. I just love them, especially. They're mostly for back east, but now we're introducing them to Phoenix and the West Coast, and I think it's taken over. It's really great.
Yeah, I love it too. So let's talk about, so you've got color choices, not only for the shades, but also for the aluminum casing.
Yeah, the hardware. And we can custom powder coat it if you wanted to get real crazy and make it exactly match.
Yeah, because you can do that. You can do whatever we need. How big can you go on any type of motorized shade like this?
On these, we can go 40 feet. Wow. This was a unique situation. It goes into a V, so we kind of had to design it that way. So we made them smaller to match the section here, which is pretty cool. Yeah. I like how it turned out.
Yeah, you're right. It is kind of an unusual shape. I just realized that. So you've got a smaller shade, medium, and then a larger shade at the end. Yeah. Okay, I want everybody to know a little bit about you real quick. You've been in business for how long?
16 years now.
16 years. Yeah. Congratulations. And you do have a showroom, and that's an opportunity for people to come and check it out, but you want people to make an appointment.
Yeah, you make an appointment, we'll meet you there, and you can just look at all the different colors. You can play with it, you can check out all the choices, and we can give you a quote right there.
Excellent, excellent. Or you can send somebody out to the house.
Yes, for sure.
Either way. And on top of that, he's got a nice little special offer. Free estimates and free installation, and their showroom is open by appointment only. All Pro Shade Concepts, 623-204-1476. Learn more, visit the website allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects, be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy. abc15.com/homepros.